sour and slippery. We know the feeling, but what's the secret science behind it all?
So, why do lemons taste sour, while soap feels so slippery? It all comes down to chemistry.
We're talking about two chemical opposites, acids, which taste sour, and bases, which feel all slippery.
And acids are literally everywhere, in your food and even in your stomach helping you digest.
Bases are just as common. Think about things like soap, window cleaner, or even baking soda.
Okay, but you can't taste or touch everything, right? So how do we tell them apart safely?
We use things called indicators. Think of them as chemical detectives that change color to give clues.
A classic one is litmus. And get this, it's actually made from lichens. Pretty cool, huh? The test is super simple. Acids turn blue litmus red, bases do the opposite, turning red to blue.
You probably have another powerful indicator right in your kitchen. Believe it or not, it's turmeric.
With an acid, turmeric just stays yellow, but when it meets a base, it turns this deep red.
So, we can tell them apart. But what happens when these two chemical opposites actually meet?
You get a reaction called neutralization. Basically, they just cancel each other out. It's all about balance.
When they mix, they create two totally neutral things, just a simple salt and water.
And there's one more crucial thing. This reaction gives off a lot of heat. It actually gets warm.
Now, this isn't just some boring lab experiment. This stuff solves real problems in our daily lives.
Ever had an antacid? That's just a base neutralizing extra stomach acid. Same idea for an ant bite.
This balancing act is even a huge deal in farming, making sure our food can actually grow.
Kind of makes you think, doesn't it? In chemistry and in life, sometimes opposites create the perfect balance.